Camp Pendleton is stumbling forward. High drama in Los Angeles Thursday night went into a restaurant. The suspect, when the chase finally ended with the suspect running into a crowded restaurant, at least 80 patrons